Hey everybody, it's Darlene, and today I'm going to walk you from header to footer, top to bottom of building your homepage. And for some of you, that might be all you need to make your site go live. So let's get started. Alright, so we're in our editor, and we're going to go ahead and click on Pages, and click on Home. And we're going to start at the very top, so clicking on Header, there's a few different options here. We can change our accent color, change the alignment of the text, even add a promotional banner. The cool thing about a promotional banner is you can let people know when they come to your site. Maybe you have something special going on. You can get 20% off if they sign up now, or put your phone number up there so people can call you. Maybe you want to change the cover image. The one that popped up here doesn't really fit you. Go ahead and click on that. You can replace the image with something in stock media, or you can upload your own graphic here too. You can adjust the image, you can zoom in, and click done. Cool, you can edit the headline here too, which is going to be the title that you see front and center. And add to the paragraph section as well. That's going to describe that title a little bit more. Tell us a little about who you are or what you're offering. And you can edit the phone number that appears here as well. And like any of the text sections here on the right hand side, if you leave it blank, you can see on the left hand side it goes away on the site. So fill it out with your information or leave it blank and move on. And just click done to go to the next section. Cool, so we're gonna edit the About Us section. You can change the layout here. And let's see here, there's a few different options for images and text layout. So click this one here. All right, and you can edit the accent color as well and change the alignment of the text. And then you're gonna wanna title this section. It says About Us right now. It doesn't have to say About Us. You can just put About, you can put Our Story, whatever you wanna say about it. And then you're going to see section groups. This is going to be the breakdown of the 3 different sections that show up here. You can add more if you'd like, but if you want to edit the one that's there, go ahead and just click on it. And then you're going to see the option to edit the headline, which is that larger title. And then tell us about it. Again, any of these text options, if you leave it blank, you'll just have a title. If you leave the title part blank, then you'll just have the description. Whatever you're typing on the right-hand side, you'll see my time on the left. Then you can edit the image as well. Pick something that means a little bit more to you. You can click on Replace, pull from stock media, or pull from your uploads. And if there's a section group in there that you don't want, or you don't like the way it looks, you can always go back to the breakdown for your About, click on that section group, and then you're going to see an option down at the bottom to delete the group. Cool. And if you want to navigate back into your sections, you can go ahead and click on Home in the top, and then you're going to see them all laid out. Alright, so we're back to our section breakdown. Let's go ahead and click on Social. Great, you can change the accent color here as well. But if you're not sure what your social media links are, what your page names are, you might want to hop in and sign in there. Just check what your username is, check what that page name is. But you'll just enter that in here. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever you like, whatever shows up here. As you fill it in on the right hand side, if you put your profile page, you're going to see the icons show up on the left. And click done. Alright, so we're a few sections into building out this homepage. If you want to see what it looks like on your desktop and mobile, you can click on the preview icon in the top right corner and just take a look. Great, almost done. Go ahead and click on Edit to head back. Alright, so we're back to our My Site after previewing that page. Go ahead and click on Pages, click on Home, and let's edit that Contact Us section. This is how people are going to be able to reach out to you, whether or not you need to get their phone number, their name, their email address, or to have them just send you a little message. You can choose a different layout here. And a few options for the accent color too. And then you can title it. So maybe just leave it as Contact Us or How to Reach Me. You can edit the heading as well, which just goes below that Contact Us title. And then leave a little bit of a description about you or what you're asking for them to leave you a message about. You can edit the section with your business name. Maybe you have a physical address, you can put that here too. And then you can put your phone number here so people can reach out to you by phone. Scroll down a bit, there's a contact form section. So this is where you can edit the form that people can fill out on your site. You can change the title of the form here and choose what email you want to send that message to. So where do you want to get the contact forms that come in from your site? Go ahead and put your email address there. And then there's a little message that appears once they've submitted the form. So a little thank you for your inquiry, or we'll get back to you soon. And go down a little bit, there's a few different form fields that you can fill out. You can ask for the name, the email, the message. Just go ahead and click on name. You can title it whatever you want, first and last name, or information that you want to get from them. Have it either be a single line or a multi-line for the input. And then if you want to make sure that they put their name there, go ahead and click on the Make This Field Required and click Done. And same for the rest of the form field sections. Email and message, you can customize it here and add more if you'd like to ask for other things. If you want to test what your contact form looks like too at this point, go ahead and click on Preview in the top right corner. Scroll down to where you have your Send Message button on the page and go ahead and click it. Cool. And then you can actually fill out the form here and send yourself a test to see how it works. Alright, just one more thing to fill out, so let's go ahead and click on Edit in the top right corner. Click on Pages, Home, and we're going to edit that footer section down at the bottom here. You're already familiar, you can change the layout, change the accent color, and then here's where you can add copyright by your name or your business name, whatever you want to put in that section, or leave it blank. Same with the footer note, you can take out the Powered by GoDaddy or replace it with maybe your phone number, something like that. Customize it to your heart's content. And then if you want to add or link your social media accounts down in the footer, you can go ahead and do so, or you can show your site navigation there as well. Alright, go ahead and click on Preview once more, scroll through both on the desktop and on the mobile view. Alright, that's your homepage top to bottom. Go ahead and click Publish, and you can make it go live. Hey, maybe you're not ready to make it go live to your domain name quite yet. You can actually publish it to the free URL that we give you and share that link so your friends and family can see it and you can test it out on the different platforms. Or maybe you are ready to publish it to your domain name. Go ahead and choose yours from that page and make it go live. That's all. My name's Darlene. Thanks for building your homepage here with us.